Hey y'all, you're a bad neighbor.
Second place.
Little Nova wagon coming up at you. Says it's got a 427 on the inside of this thing.
67 Cobra.
That's what the valve cover says. Ain't that pretty? Little automatic grocery getter. And this one's got a for sale sign on it. I'll have to take a picture of that one. I'll go take a picture of that so you can see it, in case you want to find out about it.
Third place, car number 200, Randy and Cindy Riggs, God's Ram. Second place, Mopars, car number 112, Kim Brumba.
See if we can get a picture of this sign. There you go, maybe you can read that. Phone number is 816-350-2617, and it says it's for sale. So if anybody out there is interested, give this guy a call. This is your bad neighbor out here in Carthage, Missouri. Y'all have a good day now. Bye.